Hi friends, today we will continue with the exercise 2.2 sixth sum. Okay, in the last class we did up to fifth sum. Okay, I hope you understand all that. Okay, you revised it properly. Okay, now see that what is the sixth question is. Here it is multiply and expresses mixed fraction. That is the result to multiply must be converted into the mixed fraction. Sure. Okay. So first one is 3 into 5 integer 1 upon 5. Now you know that if it is of mixed fraction, we have to convert it into the improper fraction. Correct. So first step we will do that, which is equal to 3 into 5 1 upon, that is 5 integer 1 upon 5. How will we write? We will write it as 5 into 5. Sure. 5 into denominator plus the numerator upon the denominator. That is 5. Sure, all of it is very important. No? So which is equal to 3 into now it is 25. One more step, 25 plus 1 upon 5. That is 3 into 26 upon 5. Sure. Now what you have to do is you have to multiply the numerator. I think you know about it. So which is equal to that is 3 into 26 upon 5. Sure. So which is equal to what you will get? It is 18, 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 78 upon 5. Sure, all of you. Now what they told is you have to convert it into the mixed fraction. So that again what you have to do is 78 divided by 5. Sure. What you will get? It is of 1s are 5, 2, sure, 8 down. Again 5 5s are 25 minus 3. So now how we can write this as, which is equal to, here the quotient as integer, sure, again remainder as numerator, and upon 5. Sure, all of you. So this is the answer. 15 integer 3 upon 5. Understand it? Sure. So first the main important here it is the mixed fraction must be first converted into the improper fraction. Sure. So then you have to continue into it. Sure, all of you friends. Then one more. Here you will do this. Yeah, do first. We will move to the next sum then. Here it is. Second one. That is B. Here the question is 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. Sure. So how it will, which is equal to same procedure you can do, 5 into 6 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. Sure. Understand it well? 6 into 4. 6 into 4. Plus the numerator upon the denominator. So which is equal to 5 into, it is 24 plus 3 upon 4. Sure. So which is equal to, what it is? 5 into, now this is of 27 upon 4. Sure. So now which is equal to, now here multiply, that is 5 into 27. Numerator, we are multiplying this whole number with the numerator upon 4. So what you will get? You will get it as, yes, 5 7s are 35, 3, 5 2s are 10, that is 135 upon 4. Sure. Now what it is? So now 135 divided by 4. What it is? 3 sum 12, 1, 15, 3 sum 12. Sure. Ready? So how can we write it as? So which is equal to quotient. Quotient as integer. And this is denominator and this is numerator. That you have to understand here. So here first we will write 33. Then numerator is of 3 upon denominator is of. Sure friends? Can you do this? Yes, do first. Okay, so we will move. Okay, next one is here it is C. Okay, that is 7 into 2 integer 1 upon 4. Okay, so here it is, which is equal to same procedure, 7 into 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Correct? Okay, 2 into denominator plus the numerator. So which is equal to 7 into, again here it is 2, 8 plus 1 upon 4. Correct? So which is equal to 7 into 9 upon 4. Sure, all of you? Now what we can write it as 7 into 9 upon 4. We are multiplying with the numerator. Okay. Now which is equal to what it is? 7 nines are 63 upon 4. Sure. Now what we have to do is 63. Now 63 divided by 4. Sure. So that ones are 4, 2, sure, 3, again 5 are 20. Okay. So here while subtracting you will get as 3. So here this is the integer, you know, and this is the denominator and this is the numerator. Sure. So which is equal to 15 integer. Okay. Numerator, remainder is the numerator and 4. Sure, friends. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, you can continue. Fine. We'll move to the other sum. Yeah. Now here the fourth sum. Okay. In fourth sum, it is 4 integer D. Okay, that is of 4 integer 6 1 upon 3. That is, sorry, 4 into 6 integer 1 upon 3. So how will you write it as 4 into, okay, again same thing, 6 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. Correct? So which is equal to 4 into 6 3 sum 18. Okay, plus 1 upon 3. Sure. So which is equal to 4 into 19 upon 3. Correct? So which is equal to 4 into 19 upon 3. Sure. Now you have to multiply, which is equal to 4 9s are 36, 3, 76. Correct? Upon 3. Now what you have to do is 76 divided by 3. Sure. 2s are 6, 1, 16, 5s are 15, 1. Correct? Okay. So now here again, this is the integer, this is the denominator and this is the numerator. Sure. So which is equal to, what you will write, 25 integer. Okay, 1 upon, okay. Sure. Understand it? Continue. Okay, fine. We'll go to the other sum. Yes. Okay, now. Okay, here. Here the, which sum is fifth sum. Okay, E. Okay, that is 3 integer 1 upon 4 into 6. Okay, so which is equal to, here we have to do this first. Okay, that is 3 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Correct? Into 6. Now which is equal to 3 4 is 12 plus 1 upon 4 into 6. Sure. So which is equal to 13 upon 4 into 6. Sure. This we can write 13 into 6 upon 4, all divided by 4. Sure. So which is equal to, now what it is? 3 6 again 18. Correct? 1 6, that is 78 upon 4. Sure, friends. Okay. Now we can, what we can do is, okay, here we know that we can reduce it with 2. Correct? Okay, so that we can write this as, okay, it is of 3 9 upon 2, that is 39 upon 2. Correct? Now we can write 39 divided, that is equivalent fraction. Okay, we are converted into the equivalent fraction because you know that this is also even, this is also even. Okay, if a numerator is also uneven, denominator is also uneven, we must have to understand that we can cancel it with the 2. Whatever, this is also in 2's table, correct? That is 2 2s are 4. This is also in 2's table, that is 39 2s are 78. Sure, all of you? Okay, now, okay, 39. Now divide. Okay, so what you will get? Okay, 2. Okay, here it is of 1s are 2. Okay, 1, 19. Okay, 9s are 18, 1. Sure of you? So now you know that which is equal to integer part is of 19. Okay, numerator part is 1 and denominator part is 2. Okay, I hope that you understand the conversion to the mixed fraction. That is very important. Okay, yes. So you can do this. Fine. Okay, we'll go to the other sum. Okay, then here it is f. Okay, that is of 3 integer 2 upon 5, correct, into 8. Okay, so here it is same thing, 3 into 5 plus 2 upon 5, okay, into 8. So which is equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 2 upon 5 into 8. Sure, that is 17 upon 5 into 8. Then we can write it as 17 into 8 upon 5. Sure, so which is equal to, now 7 8s are 56, okay, 5, okay, 1 5 8 is of 30. Sure, all of you, upon 5. Now we have to, what we have to do is 136 divided by 5. Okay, that is 5 2s are 10. Okay, 3 36, 5s are, okay, 5 5s are, no sorry, 5 7s are, okay, okay, 35. Sure. So here what we can write is of 27 integer 1 upon 5. Correct? This is the integer part, this is the denominator, and this is the numerator. Sure? Yes, continue. Okay? You can take the screenshot and you can. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay? So we will go to the other sum, 7th one. Okay, now here the 7th sum. Okay, here it is find the half of. Okay, 7th sum. Yeah, question number 7. So you will multiply. Okay, here it is 7th sum. Here we have to find, first it is of a, that is half of, okay, this is what it is, first sum. Okay, what is half of this 2 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, and the second one is of, okay, what it is, 4 integer 2 upon 9, correct? No, it's 2 upon 9. Okay, now look, the same thing, there is no difference here. There but we are multiplying, the whole number was multiplying. Instead of here, the fraction is multiplying. Okay, so first one we will do. Okay, in first one, it is half of, okay, or it is 2 integer 3 upon 4, correct? This we can write it as half of means into. Okay, now 3 integer 3. Now we will convert it into the improper fraction. Okay, that is 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. Sure of you? So we can write which is equal to half into 4 to some 8. Okay, 8 plus 3 upon 4. Now directly you can skip this step. If you want, you can directly this, you can write 8 plus 3 is 11. Like that you can write directly also. So which is equal to 1 upon 2 into, this is of 11 upon 4. Now what you have to do? Numerator you have to multiply, denominator you have to multiply. That is, this is 1 into 11 upon 2 into 4. Sure, all of you? So which is equal to, what is 11 upon 4 to some 8. Now look, again what it is? It is an improper fraction. If it is improper fraction, you have to convert into the mixed fraction. That is 11 divided by 8. You know that 11 ones are, sorry, 8 ones are 8. So it is of 3. Correct? Okay, so how will you write? 1 integer 3 upon 8. Sure, all of you? That is the answer. Understand? Like this you can do. Okay. Yes. Do first. Okay. Take the screenshot and continue. Sure. Let us continue. Then go to the next. Okay. Here it is. Yeah. Second sum. Okay. Here it is. Second. Okay, here it is, half of 4 integer, what it is? Second one, okay, 4 integer 2 upon 9. Okay, so the same thing, half into, what it is? 4 into 9 plus 2, okay, upon, okay, 9. Sure friends? So which is equal to half into, now 4 nines are, what it is? 36. Okay, so 36 plus 2 upon 9. So we can write it as half into what is 38 upon 9. Sure. Again the same thing. 1 into 38. Numerators multiplying and 2 into 9. Now look. Okay. There in the addition. Okay. We have to add the numerator must be same. Here it is not like that. Okay. In the multiplication you have to multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Okay. It is easy process. Okay. So which is equal to. Okay. What did it become? Which is equal to we can write it as. Okay. 38 upon 80. Sure. Now again see. Okay. Here it is. One more thing. Here only if you want you can cancel it like this. Correct? 2 and 38. Is it possible to cancel? Yes, you can cancel it. Sure. Okay. Otherwise here also you can do. Better we will cancel here. Okay. Instead of getting into here only we will cancel it. 2. Okay. 1s are 2. Again 19. Okay, so you can write this as 19 upon 9. Okay, this cancellation is very important. Okay, table. Now 2's table where that is we are dividing 2 to 38. Sure, like that we are doing. So that is of 19 we are doing. Now again, this you know that is an improper fraction. If it is an improper fraction, we can convert it into the mixed fraction. That is 9. Okay, 2's are 18, 1. Sure. So we can write this as which is equal to which is the integer part is 2. Okay, and the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 9. Sure, all of you? Like this you have to do. Sure? Okay, do first. Okay, so next one. Okay, that is B. B. What is B is? Okay, here it is 5 upon 8 of. Okay, what I did first is 3 integer 5 upon 6. Sure. Okay, and the other second is 9 integer 2 upon 3. Okay, now see here it is we can say first one we will. Okay, that is 5 upon 8 of 3 integer 5 upon 6, which is equal to 5 upon 8 into, now we can convert, that is 3 into 6 plus 5 upon 6. Sure. So which is equal to 5 upon 8 into, now 3, 6 are 18 plus 5 upon 6. Sure friends. So which is equal to 5 upon 8 into, okay, what it is, while adding you that it is of 23 upon 6. Sure. Okay, now here you can see that whether anything that is again 2 in 5 into 23 upon 8 into 6. Okay, now if it is possible to cancel anything, okay, you do. Okay, that is table. Okay, that in the table, okay, any table can be used. Okay, now here there is no such table is there, so directly we will multiply it. Okay, so which is equal to, what it is 5 into 23 is 15. 1, okay, 10, that is 1, 5 upon, okay, here it is, okay, here it is, sorry, 48. Sure. Now again you know that what actually it is an improper fraction. Therefore it is 115 divided by 48. Now you know that it is of 2 sum. Okay, so 8 to some 16. Okay, 96. Sure. So 15, that is 9. From 19. Sure. So how can we write? So we can write which is equal to, okay, what it is? 2 integer, okay, 19 upon 48. Sure. Got it well? Okay. So that is the okay answer. Understand well? Okay. Here this side use the white. This is quite easy. It is. Okay, we will move to the next sum. Second one. Yeah. Here it is. Okay, take the screenshot. Okay, then you do in your notebook. Okay, the second sum. That is 9. Okay, it is what is 9 integer 2 upon 3. So, which is equal to 5 upon 8 into 9 into 3. Okay, plus 2 upon 3. Sure. So, which is equal to 5 upon 8 into 9 3s are 27 plus 2 upon 3. Sure. So, which is equal to 5 upon 8 into this is 29 upon 3. Correct? So, which is equal to 5 into 29 upon 8 into 3. Sure. So, which is equal to, I multiply this of 45, 4 carry, 5 to sub 10. That is 40 upon it is of 24. Sure. Now, is it possible to cancel with any? Not, no? So, what you will do is divide. 145 divided by, okay, 24. Okay. Now, you know that it is 24. Okay. 5 sum. Correct? Okay. 20. Sure. Okay. Now while subtracting, what you will get? 5. 25 getting. Oh, sorry. So it is 6. It is possible. Okay, 6. Okay, it is of 24. Okay. It is 6 to 7 12 plus 2 is 145. Okay. So it is 1. So how you can write here? So which is equal to 6 integer, okay, 1 upon 24. Sure? Okay, like this you can write. We can proceed. Okay? You can take the screenshot and proceed. Okay, then, okay, the last question. Okay, here, 8th question. Now here the question is, Vidya and Pradeep Pratap, not Pratap, this Pradeep, not Pratap. Okay. Okay, Pratap went for picnic. Okay. Their mother gave them a water bag okay, that contained 5 liters okay, of water. Okay. Now Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Okay, Pratap consumed the remaining water. first question is how much water did Vidya drink? Okay, first question. And second is what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Okay, now look friends, okay, we'll divide into two, so that the one part. First question. Okay, now here look, how much water? Now all of you understand the question. Vidya and Pratap went to the picnic. Okay, their mother gave them the water bag that contains, okay, here the important 5 liters of water. Okay, now here Vidya consumed 2/5 part, okay, of it, and Pratap consumed the remaining. Now first question, how much water did the Vidya drink? Vidya drank, it is of 2, okay, upon 5 of 5 liter. Correct it? It is 5 liter. Okay, so which is equal to what you can write? 2/5 into 5. So here you know that 5 cancel you can do. Otherwise 5 2s are 10, 10/5, like that also you can do. So which is equal to 2 liters. Okay, understand? So okay, 2 liters of water. Okay, did she? Okay, correct it is no questions. Okay, so 2 liters of water she drank. Okay, so we can write therefore Vidya drank 2 liters of water. Sure. Now the next question is, okay, what is the second part? Okay, now what is here? Okay, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap? Now total quantity means it is 1, while it is considering about the fraction we studied it is. Now something is there, some part is taken out, how much part is remaining, 1 we have to minus it. So that first we can say, okay, so that, okay, the part of the water consumed by Pratap is equal to 1 minus 2/5. Actually, it is very easy to understand also. Now look, from the 5 total is 5 equal parties divided among the 2 parties drunk by the, okay, that is our Vidya. Okay, so how many parties remaining? 3 parties remaining. So 3/5. It is easy to understand also. So here we can cross multiply equal denominator, common denominator. That is what we studied there. That is common denominator we have to make minus 2/5. Otherwise cross multiply you can do. Okay, once you understand it, you can cross multiply and do. Okay, up to which what you will do to common denominator. That is 5 minus 2 upon the common denominator. That is 3/5. Understand? So what the answer? Final answer is, that is 3 liter. Okay, 3 liter is what the Pratap did. What fraction of total quantity of water did the Pratap drink? So we can say that therefore, okay, Pratap, okay, drank 3/5 part of the total water. Sure. Okay, so this is about it. So all of you understand it well? Okay, easy. So okay, practice it well, read it well. Okay, this is word problem. Word problems you have to take little more care. Okay, everything is given directly also. Okay, then also little more care you have to do. Okay, friends. So I hope you understand. Okay, take this screenshot and do. Okay, if any doubt, okay, you can ask in the comment box. Okay. So bye. Thank you.